I will talk about how can you add or change your photo profile on your app, on your project option app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on profile. So then you click here on profile here, just click on it. When you click here on profile, then it's going to take you to this list. You go down here, you keep going down. So before that I have to skip this. When you go down here, you come here to click or drop image here, just click on it. So then here can you select your image to drop it on your photo profile. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.